are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your holidays at your home. So, I'm the class teacher of pre-prep and today I'm here to teach you maths. In our previous lectures, we have learned the four numbers, number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we are going to learn a new number which is number 5. Which number is this? This is number 5. We are going to learn number 5. Number 5. How many things related of this number 5? Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Also we have 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what we have learned today? We have learned number 5. Okay, can you tell me how many fingers in one hand we have? Can you tell me? Okay, count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 5 fingers in our one hand. How many fingers we have? We have 5 fingers in our one hand. So, which number we have learned today? We have learned number 5. Number 5. Now, let's move towards our books and we will learn number 5 from our books. Okay, students? Open your maths book. This is your maths book and open page number 23. On 23 we have number 5. Number 5. Which number we have? We have number 5 and how many eggs we have? We have 5 eggs. How many eggs? 5 eggs. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many eggs we have? We have 5 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Repeat it with me. Number 5 and 5 eggs. 5 eggs. Okay, now we have a very interesting rhyme. Sing it with me. 5 little eggs all in a row. 5 little eggs all in a row. One by one they crack and go. One by one they crack and go. 5 little eggs all in a row. One by one they crack and go. So, what we have learned today? We have learned number 5. Number 5. Okay, students, we have learned the number 5. Now, we are going to do the writing and tracing practice of number 5. What we are going to do? We are going to do the writing and tracing practice of number 5. Now, I will tell you how many lines we have used of writing of number 5. First of all, you will make a slipping line, standing line and then you will make a semicircle. Slipping line, standing line and semicircle. This is how you will write or trace number 5. Number 5. Okay, my dear friends, now we will do the practice of number 5 on our books. Let's move towards our books. My dear students, now we will do the practice of number 5. As you can see, this is number 5 and we have 5 fish over there. How many fish? Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fishes we have? We have 5 fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fish we have? We have 5 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First of all, you will use the color of tracing this number. अगर आप ये color use करेंगे तो it will look more attractive and beautiful. So, you will use this color of tracing 5. Make a slipping line, standing line and then semicircle. Again, make a slipping line, standing line and semicircle. This is how you will trace the number 5. Now, you will use the pencil Make sure your pencil head should be sharp. Now we will trace the number 5 with pencil. Sleeping line, standing line and a semicircle. Again, sleeping line, standing line and semicircle. What we are tracing? We are tracing number 5. Which number we are tracing? We are tracing number 5. Number 5. We are tracing number 5. 5. Repeat it with me and do the practice it with me. Sleeping line, standing line and a semicircle. Sleeping line, standing line and a semicircle. This is how you will trace the number 5. Now we will do the practice of independent writing. Now I will tell you how to write number 5 independently. पहले तो हमने इसकी ट्रेसिंग की थी बट अब हम इसको खुद से लिखना सीखेंगे. कैसे लिखते हैं नंबर 5? सबसे पहले हम इन 2 डॉट्स को मिला के एक स्लीपिंग लाइन बनाएंगे लाइक दिस. उसके बाद एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन और उसके बाद हम बनाएंगे एक सेमी सर्कल. वाओ, इट्स वेरी इजी पीजी. अगेन स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्टैंडिंग लाइन and a semicircle. This is how you will write number 5. Number 5. Now do the practice it with me. Sleeping line, standing line and semicircle. Sleeping line, standing line and a semicircle. What we are writing? We are writing of number 5. We are writing number 5. Number 5. Which number is this? This is number 5. Number 5. This is how, first of all, you will trace the number 5 and then independently you will write number 5. Number 5. Now, as you can see, we have 5 fish. How many fish we have? We have 5 fish and you will use 5 different color in the fish. Okay? You will use 5 different color. How many colors I have? Let's count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will use 5 different color for the fish. First of all, you will make a boundary line as I have told you in our previous lectures. You will make a boundary line and then you will fill the color like this. And make sure your colors should not go out of the picture. Then you will use other color. Again you will make a boundary line and you will do the color in fish like this. Yes, like this you will fill the colors. Wow, it's looking very nice. This is how you will do the coloring in all fish. Okay? You will do the coloring in all fish. Now use another color. Make a boundary line like this. Make strokes and fill the fish with the color. And make sure white space should not be seen and your color should not go out of the picture. Now use the other color. As you can see, it's looking very nice because we use the different colors. By using the different color, your picture will be more attractive and colorful. I hope you also enjoying because I'm enjoying it very much. This is how you will finish the colors. Okay? You can use different colors by your own choice. आपको जोन से भी different colors पसंद है, आप अपनी पसंद के colors use कर सकते हैं. Okay? And this is how you will complete the activity of this number 5. And what we have learned today, we have learned the number 5. First of all, we have learned the number 5, then we trace the number 5, and then independently we do the writing practice of number 5. This is how you will do the practice at your home. I hope you got the lecture and enjoy your holidays. Take care and Allah Hafiz.